a simple kitchen build to keep your wife happy. Cookie sheets and pans storage device. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. Occasionally it's probably a good idea, particularly when you got a lot of tools showing up all the time from Amazon for your garage workshop and your wife is wondering what's going on, that you stop every once in a while and instead of building your workbench and some other things, build something for her for the kitchen. I've done all the pull-out shelves that I could possibly do in our kitchen, and that made her very happy. She was complaining about the way that she stores cookie tins or pans and things with these spring release poles. She's always pushing those poles out of the way and they're falling down, and then everything goes tumbling down like a set of dominoes. So I thought I'd build her this. It's a very simple design. So I pocket hole screwed these to the base. I put a little rod over these, or molding, in order to cover the pocket holes. And then this is designed to hold big serving pots, not pots, but serving glass containers and stuff, so that you don't get a big stack of them. Then I've got a shelf here so you can put some down here below and some on the front. I think the only thing that would make this, well, there's a lot of things that make this look nicer. You might want to use 3/4 inch plywood instead of 1/2 inch plywood. You might also want to build a face frame out of hardwood that looks a little bit more substantial. In fact, I'm probably going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and add a face frame to this. But anyway, just a little idea, something to keep the wife happy so that she doesn't begrudge the time you're spending in the workshop. Small workshop guy telling you how to keep your marriage together, signing off.